Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to unblock someone in the Google Chat. So the first thing we have to do, open the Google Chat application and make sure that we are signed in and logged in with our Google account that we use for conversation with our friends. And after that, you just need to take a look on this top left corner. There will be like 3 straight lines. Just go click it, and after that go visit the settings. To find the users that you have been blocked, you just need to visit your account here, and there will be like second options, which is the blocked user. So you just need to go click them, and here they will be showing up the user that you have been blocked. To unblock the user, you just need to go click this X into the users that you want to unblock, and whenever it's already disappeared, so you just need to go back into your room chat, and you already find your friends account back into your room chat. So that is the way how to unblock someone on a Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.